Here we're asked to solve each equation by finding all of the roots. And so the first thing I'm going to do is find the possible rational roots by taking all the factors of 15 and putting it all over the factors of 1. So my possible rational roots are plus or minus 1, 3, 5, and 15 all over 1. And I'm going to start trying to plug those in to see which ones will work. And so it's a little bit of a guess and check game here. Start with the easy ones and plug in 1. And it's going to take a little bit of time here, so I'm going to double check a couple until I find an actual solution. Okay, so I tried 1, -1, 3. None of those worked, but -3 does work, which means that part of my equation here is x plus 3. And what's left over from that is x to the power of 3 minus 5x to the power of 2 plus x minus 5 from these coefficients right here. Now I'm going to keep plugging in numbers until I get one that works for what's left over here. So I already tried those numbers there. I'm going to keep going and plug in 5 next to see what I get. So now I use these new coefficients here and see what I get. And already I have a solution, so x plus 3 from here. Then, x, my fault. Ignore that s that randomly popped up. And then x minus 5, and then here I get x squared plus nothing plus 1. And now I can solve this by setting each equal to 0 because I was asked to find the roots here. So when is x plus 3 equal to 0? When is x minus 5 equal to 0? And when is x squared plus 1 equal to 0? So this becomes a solution. This becomes a solution. This one becomes square root of -1, which is plus or minus I. So my 4 solutions are -3, 5, I, and -I. And since originally I was dealing with a power of 4, it makes sense that I get 4 solutions. For the second one, same idea. I'm going to try and factor this, but I don't have to necessarily use possible rational roots because this here is a difference of squares. So when I factor this, it becomes x squared plus 4 and x squared minus 4. And then this is also a difference of squares, which becomes x plus 2 and x minus 2. And now I can just solve like I did before. So x squared plus 4 equals 0, x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. This becomes plus or minus 2i because of the negative. This becomes -2 and +2. So my solutions are 2, -2, 2i, and -2i.